Hi friends, welcome to Jogo Coaching. In this short video, let us understand one of the most important Agile and Kanban metrics, cycle time. First, let us understand what is cycle time. Cycle time is the total amount of time it takes for the team to complete the work from in progress stage to done state. In simple words, the moment your team starts working on a task until the moment it is completed. That duration is called cycle time. Cycle time helps the team to understand how fast they deliver value to the customers. With these metrics, you can identify bottlenecks, predict delivery dates more accurately, and continuously improve the workflow efficiency. Lower the cycle time usually means smoother the process, fewer delays in the process, and faster customer value delivery. Imagine your team picks up user story on Monday and completes it on Thursday. That means the cycle time is 4 days. The team took 4 days to complete the work after starting on Monday. Tracking this across multiple teams helps you to see the patterns. Maybe review are slow, or maybe too many tasks are stuck in the development. To reduce the cycle time, we need to focus on limiting the work in progress. That means the team should take work in progress item very less so that they can focus on those and close it. And we need to remove the blockers if the team takes more time to complete the task. And also we need to make the workflow visible so that we can see which task is taking more time to complete. Small improvements in each step of your process can significantly speed up the delivery. Now let us understand this metrics with an Excel template with the project data. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about new video. So now let us understand the template. So this is the Excel template. So we have a table and the chart. So when we enter the data in the table, the chart and data will be automatically populated. So consider, so I have 2 days, 2 week sprint, that is 10 working days. And the team is completing one user story per day, user story 1, 2, 3, etc. So start days. Okay, so whenever the team take the story or the task from to do to in progress, then the cycle time will start. So here the 2nd November, the team took this story. 5th, it's completed. That means cycle time is 3 days. 3 days is from in progress to completed date. So we can have this formula to calculate the cycle time for each story, and we can have the average, the total. Then with the 10, we can take the average. Okay. So with that, the average cycle time is 4.1 for these 10 stories, and the maximum cycle time is 5, and the minimum cycle time is 3. This is the metrics we can understand from overall team's performance. So here, based on this data, this chart is already populated. So we have user story 1 to 10 and the cycle time, number of days. If you see user story 1, 3 days, user story 2, 4 days, user story 3, 3 days, like that. So we can see the chart, okay, which user story is taking time. Now let's understand how we can get the insights from this metrics and take some actions. Okay. So team can identify few improvements actions to reduce the cycle time from maximum to 4.5 or 4.0 for the sprints. For example, here we see 5 for few user stories. So some action items can be taken by the team for the next sprints to reduce these kind of cycle time issues. Okay, they need to identify the root cause and take some action items so that in next sprint we won't have user story that is taking 5 days of cycle time. And this will bring down the average cycle time of the user story. So if you reduce the maximum cycle time for stories, then average cycle time for all the stories will be reduced. And so this is what the template. And I have created 15 ready to use Agile project templates with the actual project data. So you can get it from the link shared in the comment section. So hope this video is helpful. And please send a mail if you want to get the ready-to-use template for your project. So the email ID is jogocoaching@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. Let's meet in the next video.